pretty.
Buddy,
Look at it.
you better come and see the mountain. Come on, Avery. Come and see.
Look at the water.
Come and see, guys. We're sailing into Aruba, live from the Conquest. Oh, look at the watercolor. We are live. Sailing in. Getting ready to go to Aruba and whoa! Look, there's the beach right there. Look at that, honey. Look at that beach. Landon, we're gonna see this beach. Look at this beach. Look at the watercolors. Look at the colors of the water. Oh, look at that volcano. See that mountain? Volcano. What do you have now? Oh, gotcha. Buddy.
Switch over, I got paid $10 for the day.
Are you ready? You ready? We're going up. There's a fun bus. It's hot. On the fun bus. Hot. 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 It's hot.
Yes.
You ready? Okay. Okay, buddy, this is it. Are you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Come on, hold my hand. Look at this rock. Whoa, look at this. Look at that rock right there. Whoa. Here we go. Jump in there. Whoa. Yeah. Keep going. Good work. Yeah. Don't bump your head. Low, slow. Don't bump your head. Yes. Whoa, come on, let's keep going. You're doing it, buddy. You're climbing the mountain. How does that feel?
Good.
That breeze feels real good. Yeah. What brand it is, right? We made it. Yeah, this is like hiking, JT.
There you go.
Let's go this way. Look at this cactus, Landon. See all the thorns on it?
Oh.
Ooh, is it good?
Yeah. Good.
Take a drink. Ooh.
When I think of Takata, I think of summer. In Mexico.
Oh yeah, Tecate.
Takata.
Yeah. Whoa, buddy, look at this beach. Landon, what do you think of this place? It's beautiful. JT! Wow, look at this place. Aruba. Eagle Beach. Eagle Beach. Here, let me take a... got you on video. Wow. He's finally here. Aruba. 13 years in the making. Live on Eagle Beach. There's the boy. There he is. Kaka. You okay? You okay? You want to go up this way? You're okay. You got a little wet? Did you get wet? Did you get a little wet? Did you roll over in the sand, Avery? You okay? There's JT and Landon. Landon fell down. Do you want the shovel? Here's the shovel. You gonna play in the shovel? Landon doesn't have it. You have the shovel. Yeah, you can play. Yeah, that was sweet. That roll you did in the sand. That was sweet. Hey! Do you want me to sit down? You want me to sit down? You can bury my feet? You gonna bury my feet? Ha 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 ha. We're live. Eagle Beach, Aruba. Aruba in the Caribbean Sea, or Caribbean. Caribbean, or Caribbean. Hey, what's that? Sand? What's Landon doing? There he goes. What's all this sand on my leg? Hey, mister. Hey, what's all that sand? Where'd that come from?
I throw a piece of sand in the water, then, Zeus, get out of Zeus!
Ah! Go, 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 do it again. Just don't hit anybody. Hey, what's that? Ah, what is all that? Hey, what is that? Ah. There he goes. Hey, what? What's that? Hey. Hey. Live. It's getting darker. We're done putt-putting up there. It's shuffleboard time. Shuffleboard time. We're live on the shuffleboard court. Shuffleboard court. Now you turn around and go the other way. Now you set them down here and you go back that way. Yep. Ooh, people eating food down at the Lido Buffet. I see watermelon and pineapple. We're live on the shuffleboard court. Shuffleboard Conquest. Lido deck. We're out on the Lido. Waiting for the movie. There's the iguana. What's this you have? What do you have here? What is this? Popcorn. Ooh. What do you have? You have something? What's this? What do you have? Popcorn? Ah. Live. Lido Conquest.